Welcome. If you want to enable your ringtone in Nokia 110 4G, at first you have to go for the menu, find settings, go for the tones. It's sorry guys for the profiles, my mistake, and then click right here to open the settings. Right now, to enable our ringtone, we have to go for the adjust volume. As you can see, my ringtone is turned off. There's the color ringtone. So we have to click select and then tap on these arrows to enable. Next, click here to confirm. And as you can see, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.